Okay guys, so I made this slime. I'm waiting until it's dry, but my hands are crazy. Sorry about that. It's drying, and I'm gonna wait, and I'll tell you when it's done. Okay guys, it doesn't look done, but it's actually very done, and it's hard a little bit. That's what I'm hoping for, so let's try it out. So then we mix it all together. It doesn't feel any different, but yeah. You could like this video for part 2. Like for part 2. Because this is not going to work out, so I'm going to try this all again. I didn't wait that long. I waited like 1 minute, and I thought it was dry, but it's not that. Ugh. It's not that dry, so I'm waiting until it's dry and then it's all crusty and all cool and it makes cooler sounds. That's what I wanted.